Is it possible to change the color of a picture? Yes, it is. I will show you how to change the color of images in Affinity. Welcome back to Affinity. This is an image I want to use for example. I want to replace this red color here to green. So this is how you do it. First of all, make sure this layer is selected and then you duplicate it. The next thing to do is to make sure you're in the Pixel Studio and then you select your object selection tool and then you choose your selection brush tool. Let's increase the size. So at this point, I'm going to select the parts on this car where I want to change the color, excluding this writings here. That happens to be the brand of the car. Check the description to download the image files. So I made this selection using add, and if I want to remove a selection, I use subtract. So you can see it has perfectly selected the part where I want to change the color of the car. So let me zoom in a bit and then let me properly select it. Okay, so you can see our selection is perfectly selected, but we have problem here. This one isn't selected. So what we need to do is to select this one. Okay, so there you have it. So at this point I have selected everything that I need to select. Okay, so at this point I need to deselect it, so Control D. So now when I turn this layer off, you can see we have the portion that I selected, excluding where we have the logo. This is where the magic happens. Make sure this layer is selected. Don't select this, select the layer like this, turn this one on, select adjustments, and then recolor. At this point you can see the color is applied all over on the image, but that's not the problem. Let's go ahead to change the color. So I want to change it to green, something like this, and then let's play with the lightness a bit. Okay, so now this step completes the whole magic. When I drag and drop this inside this clipping marks here, this is what you see. It's perfectly applied. If I want to change the color again, drop down this arrow, select this, and then we can change it to any color we want. The final step before I bring this video to an end, when I zoom in, you can see some details here. It's more of like some highlights on the car. So if I want to maintain the same texture, the same lightness and everything on the car, when I turn this one on, it goes off a bit. What I need to do is to click here. We are changing the blend mode. So let's select hue. What do you see? You realize that we have maintained the details right here. When I turn it off, you see it in the red color. You can still see the details. When I turn it on in a green color, you can see the details. This brings us to the end of this video, and I believe it's very easy for you to change the color of images. If you found this video helpful, I want you to kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel to stay updated for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.